Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Daily Diaries Podcast. Hello listeners, in today's technology era, making payments without physical cash has become common. E-money is an electronic payment without that stores money value in electronic media, like a card or chip. E-money can be used for various transactions, and there are many ways to use it, such as curious and debit cards. Today we're going to discuss whether to choose curious or a debit card. We have 5 guests with us, Mr. Didi Zulkarnain
as a bank employee
and Miss Akila Saksabila Hasan.
I am a housewife.
Okay, who is currently an active debit card user? Then we have our other 3 guests, Miss Nanda
I am a fruit seller.
and Miss Jahra
I'm a beauty influencer.
and Miss Johanna.
I'm a college student.
Miss Nanda, Miss Jahra, and Miss Johanna are active curious user. Hello everyone.
Hi.
Alright, let's start with curious first. Miss Nanda, what benefits do you experience from using curious as a seller?
Thank you, host. In my opinion, the benefit of using Curious is that it makes it easier for me to accept payments from various e-money platforms without needing to provide different types of payment tools. I can also directly check the payments that go into my account.
Exactly. As a beauty influencer, I often shop for beauty products, and Curious makes the payment very easy because it's so practical.
I agree. As a student, I often use Curious to pay for tuition, buy books, or even for eating out.
Curious indeed makes our transaction much easier. What about the disadvantages you've experienced with Curious so far?
One challenge that I notice is sometimes the signal is unstable, especially when I'm in a location far from the downtown.
I agree. The downside of Curious is that the signal isn't always stable.
I agree with both of you.
Now, let's talk about debit cards. Mr. Didi and Miss Akila, what benefits have you experienced from using debit cards?
Transactions are easy and fast. You just swipe the debit card, enter the PIN, and it's done. Plus, there are often promotions like discount and cashback. You can also withdraw cash from ATM.
The security of using a debit card is high, with various security features like a pin and chip so others can hack it.
And what are the disadvantages of using debit cards according to you both?
If the account balance is empty, you can make transactions and there are monthly administration fees.
Also, if we are careless and inactive, there's a risk of it being lost and stolen.
In daily life, what do you usually use a debit card for?
I often use it to pay for meals at restaurant and to pay bills, which really help in my daily routine.
I use it for shopping at supermarkets, merchants, and small shops, which really makes things easier for me.
Okay, now how about the curious side? Could you each explain a bit about how you use curious in your respective fields in daily life?
Of course, I usually use Curious when buying fruits to sell in my store.
In the influencer world, I also use Curious a lot, especially when I receive payments from product endorsement. I just provide the QR code and the brand or client can pay directly without any hassle.
At my campus, Curious is also generally used. For example, in the cafeteria or food kiosk, they usually provide a QR code on the table or in the app to make payment easier, so I don't need to carry cash and I can complete transaction faster.
Wow, thank you everyone for sharing your opinion. So, in conclusion, Curious is suitable for small daily transactions, while a debit card is better for larger purchase or when extra security is needed. Thank you for sharing, and hopefully our listeners benefit from this discussion. Bye.